How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and hit the bell. We drop these things almost daily. Our last video on PayPal was March 12th. It is now March 26th. So that was exactly 2 weeks ago. Since I bought at $42, which is at the bottom of this range right here, we are up 7.65%, which isn't glamorous, but there is a silver lining here. As you can see, PayPal does have a gap fill at 52.32, and a move from our current position to fill that gap is a 15.7% increase in price. Now you'll notice the last time we made a video, I left these lines here. This is a pattern called a bull flag, and it is bullish consolidation. Indicates that price went up, is consolidating in a sideways manner, and is getting ready for another upward push. Because I see sideways action for this long, it reinforces my belief that we're going to have an upward move on PayPal to fill this gap, if not further. I'm only looking for the gap fill right now, though, and then I may just cut my gains and go. Let's see if we see anything else here. You know what? Right off the bat, so we got 52.32. Here's another gap fill right up here at 65.15. So, you know, if we're gonna go on rainbows and unicorns today, we can say that's about a 45% move up to that gap fill. You know, if we get two. I don't like to get too optimistic and too carried away with this stuff, but let's go ahead and join these tops too, just so we can get a full picture here of what's going on. And if you notice, oh look, I made a bubble over there too. And if we just go ahead and connect those tops, you see it's wicking through there, and it's exactly on the top there. You've got a confluence, and it comes together at that gap fill around, August. You know, who wants to wait that long? But it just shows you that PayPal has pretty much bottomed out and taken a lot more abuse than it probably deserves, and to me at least appears undervalued right now. So what I want to see is we hit this gap fill. If it looks like it wants to keep moving, maybe I'll leave some and let some run. If it looks like it's getting tired, I'll take everything off the table. But right now with PayPal, this is, I'll make a yellow line here so you know I really mean business. 52.32. This one is my current price target on PayPal. And for those of you from Southeast Texas or Louisiana, anything beyond that will be what we call lagniappe, or a little bit extra. So guys, that is PayPal for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that thumbs up button down below, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.